So we are still in Kisumu City. As you see, we are exploring Kisumu City. Yeah. Give the video a like, don't forget to subscribe. We're going down there and explore. So yeah, this selling cars, selling everything. Tractors, lorries, things are being sold here. There's a large Indian community here in Kisumu. You can see them. Most of them, they deal with the selling of hardwares in the engineering sides. Yeah. Because this side I see so many Indian community. Yeah, you can see them on the other side. Indian communities here. Yeah, you can see them on the other side there. You can see dealing with jumbo steel mills. Deal with that kind of things so much. Mill. So this is part of the industrial part of Kisumu here. You can see here. So I'm not going to take a bike because if I take a bike I will not get the content that I want. And the bike will be very fast, but if I walk it will be okay. If I walk it will be okay, but the bike no. You can see the lake down there. The lake is down there. You can see it there. Up there. The lake is down there. Me, I'm just walking on the roadside here. The lake is down there. That one is called Lake Victoria. You can see it down there. Lake Victoria down there. So I'm on the industry side part of Kisumu. That's where I am today. Yeah. It's the industrial part. How to deal with the hardware. Construction. Yeah. So this part of Kisumu is the industrial part where I am. And I don't know this place, I'm just walking. But guys, we walk, we don't even know where we are going, just to bring you this content. Get lost, do what? Don't even know where we are going. So let's move and see where are we going to. Yeah. Hope the vibe is okay, the vibe is nice, everything is good now. Yeah. Everything is good now. Having some nice time here. Yeah. I don't know where the sun is shining from, so I'm trying to get a very nice picture. But the sun is bringing so much drama on me. Yeah. So let's just walk and explore Kisumu City. Kisumu City. At the Molasses. If the video like, man, we are now in the industrial area of part of Kisumu. You can see most of the industries are here. I'm just exploring here on this video of Kisumu City. The vibe is okay, the vibe is too good, man. Yeah, Kisumu City like never before. But today's video is somehow very nice, good experience. Yeah, just showing you, walking you guys, showing you how it is to be in Kisumu. Yeah, we're just walking. Tuk-tuks, impression, biggest impression here is having so much tuk-tuks. You can see them. I think I'm going, but I'm not yet going. I'm just on my hustling. Let's explore. Industrial part here now. You can see so much hardware here. I told you before, Indians are the ones who are in most of these companies. Most of them are Indians. They are so much into the construction part. That is where they specialize a lot. And the manufacturing side. That's why you can find so much Indians in the manufacturing side here in Kenya. Yeah. Very nice place to be in. Yeah. Kisumu City. All these are factories here. You can see them. The industrial part of Kisumu City. So let's cross here and go to the other side of the road and see where we're going next. But I like this issue of getting lost in that city like this one. You get to experience so much things, you get to explore so much things, and get to enjoy life to the fullest. So we're having a nice vibe here. We're having a nice vibe here. In Kisumu City, you can see ladies selling goods on their head. Very nice place. So, seems that we have come to the end of the road or what? Let's see. These ones are just disturbing me. But for me, my mind is not there. Textiles and some. Mitra is everywhere. I saw it in Kakamega, I saw it in Tavakali, I saw it in Mbale. So this guys, Mitra is an Indian name. It's everywhere. Mitra. Yeah. So these guys have taken over this western part of Kenya. Yeah. This is good. This industrial part of Kisumu. Yeah. So I don't know where I'm going to, but I'm just going to take this road here. See, it will take me back to the town. I'll tell you when I reach the town. Let me go take that roundabout. It will take me. But I hope so. Hope and pray it will take me there. I hope and pray it will take me there. Ombily oly is your boy. We in Kisumu City. Exploring Kisumu City like never before. Kisumu City. Man, this traveling and exploring these cities by walking is no joke. You get tired. You need to have a full stomach so that you can do this kind of vlogging. But this vlogging is not easy. The guy was looking to me what I'm doing. Many people don't know what we are doing. And that's good. So let me pass here. I cross this road, I see where I'm going. Let me cross this road, I walk. So let's walk in this area and we go up there. I don't know where we are going to, but just exploring the area, getting to know where we're going to. We're getting lost until we find where we are going. If we get lost, we go back to where we started. This smells like bread, so this is maybe a bread factory. So down there you have the lake here. Down there is a lake. And let's go up here and see where we're going to. So guys, I'm really tired. I might end the video here today. See you next time. It's me, Ombily Oly. Thank you very much for watching me each and every day. Adios, amigos. Ciao.
Pouco a pouco. Arriba, meu velho.